Hello one and all. Today we are dealing with the examples of receptor tyrosine kinases. There are various examples of receptor tyrosine kinases. In this, first is epidermal growth factor receptor, which plays a role in cell growth and a common target in certain cancers like lung, breast and glioma. Second is platelet-derived growth factor receptor that are involved in cell growth and proliferation. Next is vascular endothelial growth factor receptors. These are crucial for blood vessel formation, that is angiogenesis, and target in some cancer treatments. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for the watching.